In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Google Translate. We will do this by using the dark mode option in your web browser, which changes how Google Translate looks without changing anything about how it translates. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you open the regular Chrome window, not an incognito window, so that the settings you change will stay saved. When Chrome opens, you should see your usual start page or any tabs you had opened before. Now move to the top right corner of the Chrome window. Look for the three vertical dots. This is the main menu button. Click the three dots one time. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with several options like New Tab, History, Downloads, and more. If you do not see that menu, click the dots again to be sure the click registered. From that menu, look toward the bottom area and select Settings. Click the word Settings with your mouse. Chrome will open a new tab that shows the settings page, and you will see a list of sections on the left side, such as You and Google, Autofill, Privacy and Security, and Appearance. If settings opened in a small window, you can make it full screen so everything is easier to see. Next up, go to the Appearance section in the left sidebar. Click the word Appearance. The main panel on the right changes to show options related to how Chrome looks, including the theme controls. You should now see items like Theme, Show Home button, font size, and possibly a dark mode option depending on your version of Chrome and your system. With that ready, look for the dark mode toggle or option in this appearance area. If you see a switch or button for dark mode, turn on dark mode. Click once so the switch moves to the on position. When you enable it, Chrome updates its colors, using a dark background with light text in the browser interface. Many beginners expect a restart, but the visual change happens immediately, so you can see the darker theme right away. After that, open Google Translate again in this same Chrome window. You can type translate.google.com in the address bar and press Enter, or click a saved bookmark if you have one. The Google Translate page will now follow your browser theme, so the page background and many interface elements will appear in dark colors that match Chrome. You can confirm it worked by looking at the main translation area, which should no longer be bright white. You have just changed how Google Translate looks by switching Chrome into dark mode, which applies the darker theme to the whole site. If this helped you get a more comfortable dark look in Google Translate, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Google tips.